Let's paint and relax today with this beautiful red. Draw the shape of the heart in pencil, and you can use any shape if you are planning to gift it for birthdays or anniversaries. For the color, I have used sap green, hookers and olive green, opera rose and quinocridone. It's better to make your own greens instead of using greens directly from the tube. For the leaves, I have used different sizes. I have used 3 of them. Add darker colors to add dimensions after you finish the first layer. Continue alternating between hearts and leaves on the shape which you have already drawn. Add darker shades wherever necessary to create depth and dimension. I have added a few more hearts towards the center. Towards the end, I have added smaller leaves to give more volume to the wreath. This was a very impromptu video, so I decided to share with you all. Hope it helps you. Thank you.